Hello guys, good morning. First of all, I hope you had an amazing Christmas with your loved ones, good food, presents of course. I know mine was. But I'm back in business and I'm pouring. The last Dutch pour I did was on a dark blue background. It's so beautiful. I thought today I'm gonna use a sky blue background. So that's a very soft blue background. And let's see how that will turn out. This will be a very bigger canvas. It's, I think, in inches 20 by 28. And I'm gonna use puddles instead of a stripe because, yeah, lately that's working way better for me. So let's go. So, I've mixed a lot of this sky blue in this pot. So I'm gonna pour that out and I hope it's enough. Must be, right? Because I need also to pour over. Okay, let me torch out the air bubbles and make the sides the same color. Okay, let me fix the sides here. And for all of you who are new to my channel, I mix my acrylic paints with water. Just water, so no medium, no Floetrol or silicone, because I'm still getting a lot of these questions and I can totally understand that because, yeah, I thought that in the beginning when I started YouTube, and after that, yeah, I didn't anymore. But there's a video and I will link it in the description where you can see how I mix my colors. But the thing is, I'm using Amsterdam, the brand Amsterdam and Winsor & Newton, and they're very high pigmented, so it's perfect to use them with water. And I don't know if that's possible with every brand, of course, but I will link also my Amazon shop, and the brands that I'm using are in there, so you can check it out. And I'm gonna make on this canvas 3 puddles, so I was thinking here one, here and here. And I'm starting with white. And the turquoise. Prussian Blue. And I've got here some Winsor Blue. Maybe a little bit more white in those. And then I'm gonna end with gold, and I'm always using the metallic at the end because mostly that sinks. And if you're using it as last color in the puddle, then mostly it will pop up. But that's not guaranteed, of course. So I'm pouring this color around it so it can flow. Let me pour that more around it. Torch that. And I guess that's the thing also, when you're using water, you've got a lot more air bubbles in your fluid paint. I'm gonna blow the sky blue over the puddles. And blow it out. Okay guys, you saw what I did here, right? My blow dryer hit the canvas in there. It's so dark. I would love that there's more of the sky blue in the colors. Okay, well, I think there are way too much harsh lines, that it's a background and poof, color on there. So it's not flowing naturally. But if I'm looking at it from this side, it has something, it's appealing. So yeah, and I don't feel like scraping parts or fixing parts, because it has something interesting. I'm gonna leave it how it is, and yeah, it's all it's good for me to be not that perfectionist. And check out how this dries. Okay, I'm gonna give you a close-up. Here, do you guys see what I mean? It has something in this way, this composition. Let me give you some detailed close-ups. You know, all those white dots, they're air bubbles. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this. And I think I will show you guys next time the dried result. Let me show it from here. And from here. Now that's not appealing. Really, like this. I think like this. Okay. I just can stare to paintings for hours. You know that? You probably have the same feeling, that if you made something, you see constantly new things. Well, I hope you guys are having a great time, and maybe you're on a holiday and have some time off between New Year and Christmas, so have a lot of fun, and I'll see you next video, and maybe it will be in the new year or still in the old year. Let's see. Bye guys.